for watching. All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to access dictionary items. So accessing items, you can access the items of a dictionary by referring to its key name inside square brackets. There is also a method called get that will give you the same result. Get keys. The keys method will return a list of all the keys in the dictionary. Get values. The values method will return a list of all the values in the dictionary. Get items. The items method will return each item in a dictionary as tuples in a list. Check if key exists. To determine if a specified key is present in a dictionary, use the in keyword. So with that, let's jump into our notebook and take a look at this. All right, we're back inside of our dictionary's notebook, and let's take a look at accessing items, okay? So to get the value of a model key, then let's do I'll show you, okay? Let's grab the code here, and actually not that one. Let's do this one right here, because this is the very first dictionary that we made, okay? I'm gonna paste that down here. And what we're going to do is instead of printing, we are going to print, but let's do X equals our, not minus, sorry, equals our dictionary, okay? And then it'll be model, okay? Okay, we'll run that. Okay, there you go. So that's how you access items. Now, there's also a method called the get method that will give you the same result, okay? So if we just copy this and paste it down here, and then instead of doing model, we do .get and then model, right? What's that going to do? That's going to show us all these, okay? So it gives us the same result. Okay, get the keys. The keys method will return a list of all the keys in the dictionary. Okay, so if I do that, what we can do, we'll keep all the data there, and then what I'll do is I'll do X equals our dictionary dot keys instead of get, right? And then instead of putting model in there, we'll just leave it blank. Okay, so that it can grab all the keys, okay? Because if we put a value in there, it's only going to grab that value, okay? The list of keys is a view of the dictionary, meaning that any changes done to the dictionary will be reflected in the keys list, okay? So add a new item to the original dictionary and see the value list gets updated as well, okay? So if I grab all this code here and we paste it down here, okay? And I go in here and all we do is we delete all this, right? And then we're going to do X equals, and we'll do our dictionary dot keys, okay? And then we're going to print X, and we're going to do this before the change, okay? And then we'll do our dictionary, and we'll add a key here. So we'll do color equals blue, okay? And then print X after the change. This is going to update it in real time. So we'll see after the change, okay? And then let's run this, and what do we get? Okay, so you can see before the change, we had company, model, and year. After the change, we had company, model, year, and color. So we added a value, we added a key to our value list, okay? So that's how you access items. Now to get values, the value method will return a list of values in the dictionary. Okay, so if I get a list of values, it's going to run a similar idea here. So we'll copy all this code here. We'll paste it down here. And what I want to do is we're going to do X equals our dictionary dot values instead of keys. And then let's just print X. Okay, and we don't need after the change because this is going to be something different. And again, this is just to show you the differences. So let's run that, and now we get distinct values, Apple, iMac, and 2020. So those are the values, and the keys are company, model, and year. Okay. So to add a new item to the original dictionary, see that the keys list gets updated as well. Okay. Now to get items, the items method will return each item in a dictionary as tuples in a list. Okay. So let's get a list of the key value pairs. So if I do X equals our dictionary, right, dot items, and then we print X below that, what are we going to get? We will get all the key and value pairs. So company, Apple, model, iMac, year 2020. Okay. The return list is a view of the items of the dictionary, meaning that any changes done to the dictionary will be reflected in the items list. Okay. We can also check if keys exist. To determine if a specified key is present in a dictionary, use the in keyword. So let's do that. And let's grab all the code here, copy it, and then paste it here. And we'll delete all this, and we'll do if model, and let's do company in our dictionary, colon, print, yes, company is one of the keys in our dictionary. Okay, and then we can print. Well, let's run it first. Double quotes. There we go. Now we run it. Yes, company is one of the keys in our dictionary. Add a space there. Whoops. Okay, like that. Then we'll run it again. There you go. So yes, company is one of the keys in our dictionary. So there you go. All right, so that's how you access items. So thanks for watching.